Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Techaruna, and I'm sure all of you know that I'm running a series on Canva, and today's lesson is all about how to create an Instagram carousel post. You all know that nowadays existing in social media networking site is very essential. Whether you are a businessman or an individual or running an organization, you need to have an Instagram account. So how to create carousel post in Instagram, that is our topic today. So without wasting much time, we will enter into Canva platform. So I'll share my screen first. So we are going to enter the Canva platform. So after logging in, and at the home page, you have an option for create a design. Click on that. When you click on that, it will give you a number of options. If you cannot find this carousel post, then you can type it here, carousel. So it is there, carousel Instagram post. So click on it. So here you have got the blank template, and in the left hand side, you will get a lot of free templates for carousel post. So I will be creating one carousel post on Instagram and will show you. If you want to create a blank page and then start with the designing, that is also possible. And as there are free templates available, why not use it? So I have got this blue color content ideas for that. Now I can actually use it, or I can go for many other free templates and then find out, and then you can use anything which you want as per your taste. So I'll use this 4 steps. Today I'm going to show you steps 2, or else tips for a successful life. So here it says apply all 6 pages. I have applied. Now I have got all the 6 pages in front of me. See. So first and the last one is a common one. First one will be the title page, and the last one will be the like, share, and subscribe, all those things. That is call to action page, and the remaining pages are the tips. So I have already my text ready. So here I'm going to write 5. So I can write here 5 tips for a successful life. Now I'll drag it so that the letters align properly. I can go for the center alignment. Done. So your first and foremost part is done. You can change all these things here, whatever it is given. Like I can go for, it is my thing, so I can go for Aruna Suresh, and then I can go for my website, maybe like arunasuresh.com, and then I can go for my logo, and in case if I don't want anything, I can delete them, and I can also share my photograph here in case if you want to share it also. So it is so simple to do this first page. Now we want the text, which I have already created. So the first tip, again, everywhere you can do all the changes required as per the first slide. Now I'm not doing all those things. I'm going to show you what is the first tip. The first tip I have got stored. It is the clarity in goals. So I'm going to cut and write it here. That is here. I'm making it center. Now I don't want this written part. I can bring it here and I can make it bigger so that the tip is very clear. So the next one is, we are going to again go back to the text which is available, and then go for lifelong. So unwavering persistence is the second tip. So you can go there, come back to Canva, select the text, copy and paste. That's it. Now the extra text which you don't want, you can actually click and delete it. Now the second is also ready, and I'm just aligning it. Wherever I don't want, I'm going to click and delete it. That is it. Now come to the third one. Again, I'm going to delete the unwanted part and I'm going back to my text again. I am creating lifelong learning. Come on. I'll cut this and then I'm going to back to uh, third slide and I'm pasting it and I'm making it bigger. That is it. That is it. Simple. See, you are creating your carousel post within minutes. Now, going for the, again, this kind of things which I don't want, I'll delete. Now comes the fourth part. Go back, copy the title from my text already stored. I'm going to write it. That is mastering the time management. Now I have fixed here. I don't want this, but only thing is here I'm talking about mastering time management and there is a loudspeaker, which I think it doesn't suit here. So I can go delete it and I will go for search of element. I'll go to this element and I will type time. Maybe it will give a clock or anything, something which is very nice. So I can use it here. So I can use for this. This is one thing I can resize and fix it within the space available inside. Done. The fourth is also ready. You can see here how customizing is very, very easy. Now, the last one, like as I said, don't forget to this. I'm not going to change anything. I delete only the unwanted things. Yes, here also I'm deleting. Even I don't want this rocket. Instead, I want something like click, share kind of, right? I can go for a thumbs up. Yes. I'm choosing something which is going to match here. So it is bigger. I'm going to resize it and then I'm going to place it somewhere here. Got it? Again, I can resize it and set it here. Now we can see the carousel which is created within, hardly a matter of 5 minutes. Now you can see here how this works. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, simple, click share and download. And if you are having your Instagram account connected with this, you can directly share it from here also. So I think having an Instagram account and creating a carousel post is not that much difficult, people think. So go for it, try it for yourself. And if you found this useful, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.